Welcome back to Feniex University. In this video, we're going to be talking about quad cannons, what they are, how they work, and why they're different from a standard light head module. Starting off, the quad cannon uses 4 high output emitters, allowing it to be seen in even the worst conditions. Additionally, these 4 outputs flash in 4 different colors: red, blue, white, and amber. These 4 color options give this light amazing versatility, allowing it to be used in many different industries, including police, fire, EMS, off-roading, construction, trucking, and so much more. You can even use it for undercover vehicles. The true benefit of using a quad cannon is being able to mount this light virtually anywhere. As you can see, this quad cannon is significantly smaller than our standard light head, and this golf ball sized light can fit in the tightest of places. Some examples include your car's headlights, brake lights, wheel wells, side mirrors, underneath the vehicle. Don't be afraid to mount it in risky places. This light can sync to all of our Q Series 3-mode products, as well as our T3 and Q3 surface mounts, allowing the user to create a more uniform lighting setup on their vehicle. Another way we've seen these used is as brake lights on the back of the vehicle, as well as turn signals to notify people behind you. Speaking of versatility, we've got 39 different flash patterns for y'all to choose from, so whatever you need, we've got it. These lights don't just pack a punch in brightness, but they're also durable as hell. Check this out. See? Told ya. In conclusion, the quad cannon does it all. Thanks for joining us for this week's Feniex University video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and watch the next one.